Problem 22. Detergent comes in small, medium, and large. Medium costs 50% more than small and holds 20% less than large. Large holds twice the small and costs 30% more than medium. Rank them best to worst by. The choices are SML, LMS, MSL, LSM, and MLS. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Set small at cost 1, amount 1, then M cost and L amount follow. Use the other two clues. Compare cost per unit, lower is better. So the ranking best to worst is M, L, S, choice E.